Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is the first time of seeing this channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button. You're not paying for it, it's just free, and you can watch a lot of videos. You can learn how to make bags and so many other things. So welcome back to my channel, people. Today I want to teach you how to make a beautiful purse that you can carry, a carry purse that you can carry to church, for events, you know, for outing. Maybe you're going out and you just want to use something like simple. All right, so I'm using a leather material, and as you can see, this is 14 inches by 12 inches. Okay, so the wideness is 12 inches while the length is 14 inches. So we're going to see what we're going to have here. So I have my lining. My lining is the same thing. All you need to do is add half inches to the size of the lining. So that's, you have see what we have here. Okay, so this is my zip cloth and this is my zip head runner. Okay, so let's get into the video, the detail of this video. So what we are going to do is look at my zip. Okay, I turn it like this is the right side, right? So I'm going to, and this is the right side of this material I'm working on, or I'm working with. So my right side is facing right side, meaning that this side is the wrong side, right? So this is a purse with lining. So I'll now do the same thing to this. You can see that this is my wrong side. Okay, so I'm going to stop stitch it. Back stitch it, okay, so that it will be firm. So whenever you're sewing, in order for the tip not to lose, you make sure you back stitch it. So now once I'm done with this, I'll now see, I'll flip it like this way, then I'll top stitch here. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay guys, so you see what I have now. So this is actually too much. So your lining, you could actually make your lining to be the same with the, or better still, add half inches or 1 inch. Okay, you can see this. So now I'm not going to remove this. Okay, I'll bring it here like this and repeat the same procedure. You see what I have here like this. So I added 1 inch to the lining. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe, and I would like you to practice this. Okay, So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fix I'll make sure that this align, okay, like, so that I'll now cut the excess, then I can now fix my zip head. We call it runner. So I ran it through and I removed it and ran it again. Okay, it's the same zip head. I've not used another one. So see, with this now, I can now I want to move this out like this. Alright guys, so after turning, okay, you can see, so I'm now going to top stitch here. I'll also top stitch here, but then I'm going to leave a little, okay. I'm not going to see, I'll top stitch this to this point. I'll top stitch the whole of this so that I will be able to turn it in this, so that I will be able to turn it to the right side, okay, to the real face of the bag. So make sure you stitch this where the zip goes. Stitch it well. So I'm going to cut off this excess. So I'll move to this other point. I'll do the same thing. I'll stitch all the leather side. Remember, you can use any material of your choice. You can decide to use fabric, Ankara African fabric. So see what I did. I'm leaving this. So I'm also going to cut this. So let's move to turning it to the right side. So I'll come to this. I'll open, you see, I've opened the mouth of the runner, right? So I'm going to gently turn it to the other side. Alright guys, so this is what we have. You ensure that you use your hand to push out all the angles, all the necessary angles, okay? So look at this. I use my hand to push this out. Okay, so now the next thing is just to close up the opening. So if I want to customize it, I can now, like if I want to put my number, I will just put it, my tag. Okay, so you just close it up. If you have watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Kindly subscribe, like the video by clicking the thumbs up button, comment in the comment section. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Let's take a look at it together. So this is what I have. Just take a look at what I have. So with these, I can comfortably put my phone and so many other stuffs. Look at, my phone can go in, my Bible will go in. So all those little stuffs that I use will go in. So how do you see this box? How do you see it? Just I want you to comment in the comment section. How do you see it? Was it difficult for you to understand? Do you understand it easily? Just comment in the comment section. Did you try it? What did you get? So let me here in the comment section. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to my channel. Share with friends and family. Also, do not forget that we have an online class on Telegram where we teach students, people that really want to go into bag making business, how to make different types of bags and how to become a successful and a profitable bag maker. So you will learn different types of bags in that our Telegram class. Yes, so if you're interested in our Telegram class, you can call or WhatsApp +234 80 365. Also, you can join our membership on YouTube. Here you will see where they wrote join, so you can join there, whereby you become a member. You have access to so many videos that other people cannot access. So bye for now.